Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about retentive and non-retentive data registers. What's the retentive and what's the non-retentive? This I will explain to you in this lecture. First of all, I will make a new project and here we can give the name of our project retentive T-E-N-T-I retentive. What's the meaning of retentive and non-retentive, which is your PLC model series? You have to select here, you have to select your points, and here you have to be select your model and click it OK, and this also OK. And first of all, I will take one internal memory bit M0 and I will make it one out coil Y0 in set condition, and here also one more I will take Y0, and I will take one timer here T. If I T0 takes, that will be 0.01 millisecond timer. If I will take T64 for example, it will be 0.1 second time. If you take T0 for example, T0, when you write it here 100, it will be 1 second timer. If you take it here for example T64, it will be 0.1 millisecond, and here you have to write 10. After this will be your 1 second. For example, I will write it here 100, it will be 10 milliseconds timer. And next I will take one more contact here T64. I output of my this timer, and again one more I will take relay Y1 for example to make this on, and this Y0 when it's set, and here have to be make one more contact M1 for example I will take to reset my Y0, reset Y0. Okay, and here same project I will make it this one copy, and here you can make it paste. Where is the paste? This is paste, and here we will change that name M2 I will take. Okay, and that's Y0 I will take that Y2, and the T64 that side I will take 65 timer, and time will be same, and that's Y1, that's I will to take Y2, and that's I will take Y2. If I'm not wrong, when we push the M2, our this T65 will be on and set, our Y2 will be set, and T64 when on Y2 set, Y2 is on. No, this is we have to make Y3. This is wrong something. Y3, and this is Y2 reset. When we make this Y2 set, and this is Y2 reset, that's okay. It's M1, and here we will take for reset condition to M1, and this also we have to be changed M1. That we have to make M3 for example. Take 3 we will take, and now I think so our program is okay. In this I will download to the PLC, make it online, go to the auto check, and if your cable is connected your COM port, it will be shown in this area, and if not connected, there is nothing an issue or maybe other behavior. Click it OK and download to the PLC. Click it again OK. Now program is download is ready, and click the run PLC. It will be asking again some errors. This leave it. This no need to be seen. Now our program is running. Now this T64 is 100. Oh sorry, this one we will not give the any time here. In this we will stop PLC once again, and this we have to be using R3000, and here we will use R0. This is why I write R3000 and R0. First of all, starting, I will show you one thing in memory allocation. See, here is he telling this all data registers memory. Starting data registers, retentive data register starts from R0 to R2999. Total 3000. These are your retentive data registers, and this is data register starts from R3000 to R3839, 840 total. These are non-retentive data registers. What's the meaning of this retentive and non-retentive data registers? When I put the value at this R3000 and R0, it will be what behave. Show you. For example, make the status page, and I will give some value. For example, this I will R3000 right type. Sorry, R3000, and here I will take R0, and this I will take 100. For example, this is 100 right. No, 30 we will write 30 right, because of this is T64, T65, 30, and this is also we will write 30, no problem. This I give the 30 and make it again download to the PLC, because we have to see the difference. This will be cancelled. R0 30, because of, let's see, now I will start this, make it on. As it completed his time, Y1 will be on, and here is Y3 is on. See, and as I stop this one, for example, I stop this execution, and for example, here also we stored 30, and here also we stored 30, and this R3000, these are non-retentive data registers, and these are data registers. And for example, in the meantime, our program is running, power supply shut down. For example, I will make the stop PLC. As I stop the PLC, and again when your power will become, after you see this one R3000 is goes to 0. This you have to be put again the value, but R0 is still your value is ready, not leave this value. Because of this R3000, this is retentive data register, and R0, this is the non-retentive data registers. Means this will be no leave the value, but these are leaves the value. Somewhere in the program you have to be design look like, and when you once put the value, once one process will finished, after if power supply gone or whatever, you still value will be have to be cleaned, and somewhere you have to be choose the program inside which value you once put in the program. Power supply gone or not gone, or running not running, your value have to be stored. This is stored memory. As again I will give this M0, see, running, but this is not have value. Because of this value cleaned, not stored. When you give the value, after this will be work properly. And but if this M1, M3, stop the PLC, again run the PLC. This is M0, Y0, M1, Y0 reset. M2 is our Y2 set, and Y2 we have to make this one. This will have some mistake. Y2 is our, because this both programs are separately designed. So Y2 this one, and T64 after Y3 on, and M3 will be reset Y2. Now it's okay. See, this value is stored, but this R3000 is value not stored. We have to again put it here value 30, for example. I will put, and when I make it run this one, see, as it's completed his time, Y1 will be on. And the T64 we use, this is also we not change the time bit here, because of if we not change this one T64, if we are using the time of T65, we have to be make it T65. Because of this T65, when you're choosing use this T65, you have to be choose the contact of T65. If you use T64, you have to be open contact or close contact, you will be choose of T64 or 5. As I give the make it on this one, after our Y0 will be reset. M0 also I have to be make it off. And this value, see, Y2, M2 is our this one contact. As it's completed his time, R30, R0, Y3 will be on, and Y2 will be reset. As I make it off this one, and as I give the on signal to the Y2, it will be goes to reset. But in this meantime, our power supply if shut down, you can see this, the again run the PLC, your R3000 will clean the value, but your R0 is the still have. So this is the difference between retentive and non-retentive data registers. If you not understand anything in this lecture, can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.